Hi, kindergarten. Today's math lesson starts with a story. So, what if one of our kindergartners, Nyla, had 9 blocks? Can you hold up 9 fingers for me? Are you holding them up? Well, I already know that to hold up 9 fingers, I can go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, so what if 5 of her blocks were red and the rest were blue? Show me just her red blocks with your fingers. Yeah, she had 5 red blocks. So then how many were blue? Can you figure that out? Yeah, 4 were blue because I need 4 more fingers to get to 9. 5 and 4 together make 9. Okay? Now, could we show a number bond that would show that story? What would our whole be? Well, we know that to start off with our story, we had those 9 blocks. So that could be the first thing we could do, is write the number 9. So I'm going to go ahead and write the number 9 right here. We also know that she had 5 red blocks. So we know that 9 is our whole, and our first part was 5 because we knew that she had 5 blocks that were red. Now, can you remind me how many were in the other part? So how many were blue? Well, I held up my 5 fingers for the first part, and that left 4 more fingers. So we can go ahead and say the other part was 4. Now I'm going to show you what that looks like with our blocks. You can go ahead and count to make sure that I wrote the numbers correctly. Can you see 9 blocks all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Absolutely. So we're going to play a little game with these cubes. We're going to take away one of the cubes and see how many we have. What if I just separate this down here? How many cubes do I have in all? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up here. And I do have 1 more down here. So how many would that be in all? Yeah, I still have 9. I did not take any of those blocks away. So we still just have 9 cubes in all. Now just the parts are 8 and 1. Now, I guess I should change my number bond because my parts are not 5 and 4 anymore. Now the parts are 1 at the bottom and 8 at the top, which tells me 1 and 8 makes 9. 1 and 8 make 9. So what would happen if I got rid of another block and moved it down? Oops. Now how many do I have? Well, you know that I still have 9 cubes, right? Because did I move any of them out of the screen? No, they're still there. I just put them in a different orientation. So we don't have to change our whole because our whole stays the same. But now how many do I have down here? 1, 2, absolutely. And how many are up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Amazing. Okay, do you think we're done? I think we should just maybe try to do a couple more. So, if we take away 1 more, again, we're going to have those parts change, but our whole is going to stay the same because we still have 9 cubes altogether. The only thing that changed was how many are on the top group and how many are on the bottom group. So we have 9 altogether, and now we have 3 on the bottom and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the top. I wonder what will happen if we change it so that now we have 1 more in the bottom group. We know that 3 and 6 makes 9. Should we try to see what happens if we do it again? Here we go. Let's see, I'm going to take 1 more. I'm going to put it down here. Starting to look more and more interesting because I don't know if you've noticed this, but the bottom is getting bigger and the top is getting smaller, even though we still have 9 cubes all together. So I added 1 more to the bottom, and we know that 3 plus 1 more is 4. We had 7 on the top, but we know that 1 less than 7 is, we had 6 on the top, so we know that 1 less than 6 is 5. Y'all, I almost just wrote the wrong number, and that would have been really confusing. Thank goodness my next step anyways is going to be to double check. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 and 5 makes 9. Now, I want you all to continue to work through these problems using your own number bond and using this website or your very own Lincoln cubes. See if you can come up with other ways to create 9. See you in a little bit. Bye, kindergarten.